it's Sarah with WTI, and this little miracle right here is a Thundershirt. So I use this for my dog, Honey. She gets very scared and very nervous, especially when there are thunderstorms or if there's a fireworks sound or anything like that going on. Then she just gets like really anxious and the shakes and comes and finds me and just wants me to hold her all the time. So what's great about this Thundershirt is that it gives her that feeling of being held. It makes her feel secure, but I don't have to hold her the whole time. So it really makes a difference. And I didn't think at first that it would, but I have seen a significant difference in Honey when she is anxious or stressed out and she has her Thundershirt on. So this is really easy to put on her. She just stands for me and I'm able to adjust it to her, and it's very simple, and it also comes off very easily, and I can wash it in the washing machine. So I'm really happy with this Thundershirt. I think that it makes a difference in my dog. It really helps to calm her. She's not as needy when there are loud noises or when there's a storm, even just wind blowing very strong, she gets upset. But if I put the Thundershirt on her, it definitely cuts down on her anxiety. So I highly recommend it for dogs that battle with anxiety due to noises or anything like that. And that is my point of view.